Now when you get corona, you know say you want remember me. Hello everyone, and welcome on to our channel. Now me, on a sister, on a friend, on a girl, baby, with that concept. Say hope all of na dey fine. Tell on say we go dey talk about life stories. Make people they send their life stories, they come if they need advice and for other people to learn from. So you get this story where I want to tell on her. The person now, they wait to get answers. I know saying that God now they give the right answer. So I want more on send on a comment for the comment section or on our call our number. If you go for the description section, you'll see our phone number. If you call our phone number, give us your own comments. Thank you. So this our sister, maybe this husband on day for long. At least 10 years they don't day. Then get one picking. Then get one picking. So this woman now, you don't deal with this man, then they leave. So later, for inside last year, early last year, the man come leave him. Say he go meet his girlfriend. And this girlfriend issue don't they day. She don't they hear him. They don't worry about her, everything, you know. So, but finally now the man go stay with the girlfriend. She will call and the man no agree come back for house. You tell and say men are meant to marry many wives as they like, you know, those kind of African talk now. So the woman come they manage with the pikin. This woman don't send many people go beg and ask, waiting I do you. The man say in just one still change. Say in just one say in just want another woman. And so they tell people. And now the sensitivity then they, you understand? The man they carry the woman, everybody know. So the thing, the woman can't bear her. Now you reach this time now, this year where this corona issue dey. And he come here say the man they outside, they stranded. The person we call her, she called and say, how you go dey stranded? What of in girlfriend? He said the girl pursue and go come out to for outside, say in the cough. Not two person here. Say in the cough. So the girl can say, say he never marry, where person go come go carry koro give her. Say they don't give the man many things, you know, they okay, see the cough. And the man now say me they not call doctor come. Say me they not say he get koro. Say no say not be koro, say na normal cough. The girl come down and say, it's either you go hospital or you come out for my house. Say now the man come out. As the man now, if he say he don't F well now, many people know in friends they not take her in. And you know go expect say married man, person we marry we get wife for house go come take that kind of person inside, you know, take her. So in now no fit go meet government. Say me the help her, especially when it be say, you know, say like say na in dey with children now, na in dey with pikin. Government fit help her. This one now, na man we get leg, get hand, complete everything. You want go tell government say they stranded, stranded for this kind of time safe. Maybe now where Chris people dey, now they go put her or something. So in now come they tell people say may they help and beg your wife. So now the wife come to say, this is a tire, say na in pikin papa. So and he still love the man, no matter what thing happen. Say he love the man. He know how they take suffer, how they take pass road come, you know. Me now, I don't want to talk the story too long. And I me not just start even how they take pass route enter. Maybe this man don't suffer, you understand? So the man now, something constantly enter in hand. Now he start to misbehave. You know? So she come to say, in mind, no let her say the man now, where will they talk? Now one pastor come open in church for am, say make he sleep for there, and then cold dey, no heater. So he say the thing dey bother am, na make am say make we tell am wetin he go do. Say wetin she fit do, because she now say sleep no dey carry am, say especially for night if you dey sleep, you go imagine say im pikin papa dey for one hall like that wey heater no dey, nothing. Say the thing dey disturb am. Say but the fear wey she get now, whether if you take am in finish, koro finish, e go back to the girl or e go carry another person. Say na im be im problem. Say she no want second heartbreak again, because say she be don dey face im life, say since the man e don reach 1 year now wey e be waka, say e no want am again. Say she be don dey face im life as single mother, but now wey be say the man dey stranded, dey tell them make dem beg her whether the man this corona wan make am come back. And as e dey cough, say she know say that cough no be koro. Now time say how you take know say no be koro? He say because the man say in sickness na cough, once he do again he go. Say when cough dey worry at least 2 weeks, 3 weeks, say husband not e get sick, e no dey sick headache, e no cough kata, na im be sickness. So that kind thing this time, you know say when you sneeze sef, people dey run from you, come be say you come dey cough. So na she dey talk say you know say no be koro, and say you know as e go use even take talk to her, wey you go use go hospital, because him na the person wey be say no dey like, the husband no dey like go hospital. So she know as she take she dey take appointment for am online. If you reach that day, you go tell say see am, you get appointment today. Say if you no go, they go dey mark am down for you, say you dey take appointment, you no dey go. He say he na go just quarrel finish, he go go the appointment, and so he take dey do am. But this girlfriend no know how he dey do am. So na him make am come talk say she want help, but she dey fear say may he not come help finish this time again, come get hope say he don't come back, but he never come back. So he need una idea, more na comment, more na send. You want we go call me, call the phone number, tell us wetin. But for my own side, me come dey talk say at least may still give am second chance, since now this one be the first time wey the man, I know say he talk say the man don dey carry women before, he come boldly now comot go stay with the girl. So may still give am chance, maybe he don learn lesson now. He don see say when situation bad, na that your personal person na him go still stand for you. So me, for my own, I say may still give am second chance, make he see how e go be. But may not use the thing they always dey hit the man head, wey will come make the man come tire. Now wetin me self advice. So they wait for our own comments. Wanna share this video, make other people for see here know wetin dey happen. So I thank all of una. God bless you. Subscribe and get more stories. Make una not forget to subscribe, click the thumb up, and click the notification bell, maybe for they know when we upload video. God bless you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.